AFCON, no, wababy, finally, and I think this year, this time around, the tournament has been um, interesting. Yeah, I think yeah, full of surprises, and there are countries we didn't think or know that they would come that far, but then they did. So kudos to all the countries except Ghana and Comoros. That small island. No more share, yeah, so now we are gearing towards Ghana versus Nigeria world qualifiers. Yeah, so what prediction ya Ghana ya and also the Nigeria and Franco. And I was thinking about corner pa dear. Again, and never could go pad and corner. Which one are you for or against? Let me know. What's the comment section? Know that this is an interactive show, so you can get interactive with us via social media platforms at IdeaJ TV on Instagram, Twitter, and also on Facebook. Go on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move straight to Nigeria. Omo Alata. Yeah, let's go there right now. Now, the richest man in Africa and a billionaire. Yes, Waka Asembi. And this is Aliko, the man Aliko Dangote. And he is saying that he won't watch World Cup if Ghana beats Nigeria to playoffs. Young country, and should we tell him? And we should wait. We shouldn't tell him. Or we should wait. Now, World Cup, Papa, one shakra. How a bad day? Like, I don't get it. Is it that you are giving them something no could feel? So if you don't watch, you're no longer going to give it to them. Or somebody make this make sense to me, because I don't get it. Well, that's Aliko Dangote. Aliko Dangote. Yeah, Dangote, the man himself. Now, Nigerian billionaire Aliko Dangote has said that if Ghana advances to the FIFA World Cup finals ahead of his nation Nigeria, he would not attend the tournament in Qatar in 2022 to qualify for next year's World Cup. The Black Stars must beat Nigeria in the playoffs in March. Due to the common history of the two nations, the game has been dubbed one of the largest on the continent. Now, Dangote encouraged the Super Eagles to do Nigeria proud after seeing the must hold Abiola National Stadium. Now, business tycoon Aliko Dangote provided financial support for the pitch's repair via his Dangote Industries Group. He also said that if Nigeria fails to qualify for the World Cup, he would not fly to Qatar to witness the tournament. This is what he said. It is not only important to me, but it is also important to all of us here. That is what will make us proud as Nigerians, the businessman said. If Nigeria does not qualify for the World Cup, I won't go there. That is Qatar and or he also pledged to support or continue supporting sports development in the country by complementing the government's effort. You can be rest assured of our continued support. You can always knock on our doors, Dangote told Sports Minister Sunday Dare. We should not allow our stadia to collapse. Nigerians have a very strong love for sports, so I think we need to complement government efforts to ensure that everything works. Everything works. Indeed. As someone when Dangote said there, coming match, Ghana versus Nigeria, World Cup qualifies, and as they play off no. Sagana yabo mother nation Nigeria by sure. No what no one pay. A nation 1-2. No 1-2 until cry. No. Uncle Kata. Na ne country can okay then. South Africa for they are still bleeding. What I want bleeding. South Korea one kobe because one qualify Ghana for so Ye free poto, ye poto, ya ye di nenu ngwase. Yes, ma humachi bodu hade, and if I bodu hade humachi 3 a.m. Obi also free ho. There's no need for him to go just because Africa's richest man. Also, uncle said Nigerian win the pada. Uncle, until we are keeping our fingers crossed. I don't know how beneficial it's going to be for the tournament if the man goes to the stadium to watch the ball. I don't know how, but then Yen Shani Beko, I, a bomb pen, so an album pen, I'm a Ghana.